coming back towards us. There's a relatively large flock here, probably around 200. Even though there are rumors and sightings of thousands of flamingos in Jaffna, we have to be content with these fellows. For the last 3 days we were trying to get them. Just amazing sight. As you can see, they have those beautiful pinkish feathers, and among them you might notice a few of them quite different from the rest. They have black feathers. There is one over here now. They have black feathers instead of the pink ones. So that's quite a remarkable scene. I'm just trying to show you the whole flock. There we go. Look at those beautiful long necks. Simply amazing. We are on the main road between Vankalai and Mannar. Here they are. Just amazing. Thankfully this road is not that busy. So these are the fellows. I'm just heading towards the edge of the flock. There were quite a lot. Here we go. Some more. There are some more. And some more. It's about 200 in all. Okay, that's the edge of it.